Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Brawl Stars game, and you're going to see that at the moment I have no coins or gems, but in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get a crazy Brawl Stars mod and get free coins and gems. So guys, what you need to do is go ahead and go to this amazing site. The website is called brawlmod.cc, so let me just type that in for you guys, brawlmod.cc. This is the only site where you can actually go ahead and do this. And basically, once you're on the site, it's just going to tell you about the mod download instructions. You just want to press continue. And basically, it's going to ask you to install a configuration profile. So press allow, press close. And now, guys, what you have to do is go into the settings app, and you want to find at the top where it says profile downloaded. Go ahead and press install right here. And then it's just going to have another install prompt. Press that. Press done or just swipe up, and you should now see the Brawl Stars mod on your device. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and open this up and just give it a minute for the app to load. And basically what it is going to do is show you a new screen. It's going to say start hack, so you want to go ahead and press on that. And once you do that, it's just going to connect with the Brawl Stars servers and everything. So just give it a minute for this process to happen. As you can see, it says initialized. So anyways, guys, once it is done connecting with the servers, it's going to make sure that you have Brawl Stars installed in your phone. So make sure that it's on your phone, guys, because otherwise this will not work. And then it is going to ask you to select what resource amounts you want and press continue. So as you can see, guys, you can go ahead and get coins or gems or both. So I'm going to go for both, guys, and then press the button that says continue. And once you do that, it's just going to ask you how much you want. So I'm going to pick the max amounts for coins and gems. Then I'm going to go ahead and press continue again, and it's just going to go ahead and sync up with the servers and send those values to your account. So just give it a minute for this process to happen. It's usually pretty quick. As you can see, it says you selected that amount of coins and gems, adding that to your account. So just let it do its thing. And as you can see, guys, it's going to delete traces that you were activating the server. So this will make sure you don't get your account banned for doing this. And you might get an error that says automatic injection failed. So if you get this message, guys, you need to perform manual injection for the mod. So in order to do that, guys, what you want to do is click the button below. It should say continue or something, inject. So press that. And what it's going to do, guys, is take you to a new site. And what you have to do on the site is download the app there to complete the injection. Now, the app you see, it might be different depending on where you live, but it will be from the official store. So just download the app. It's completely free, and complete the instructions, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. For me, it was this Lucktastic app, so I'm just going to go ahead and download this. And they're usually pretty small apps. They're not big to download, so I'm just going to go ahead and download it. And I'm just going to give it a minute for the app to install, as you can see. So let's just give it a second to finish. All right, it's downloading right now. Okay, here we go. And make sure, guys, that you read the instructions in the app, because if you don't do the instructions correctly, you will not get your coins and gems. So as you can see, the app is downloading. All right, it's done. So what I'm going to do is just open this. So this is an app called Lucktastic Match. So as I said, it can be different depending on where you live, but this is what it is in my country. So I'm just going to go ahead and play this as a guest, and let's just give it a minute for it to load up here, as you can see. All right, and I'm just going to go ahead and play around with this and make sure I complete the instructions. It's very important, as I've said, that you do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here. As you can see, it says let's get you started. So this is a game where you do some matching activities. So basically it's scratching cards. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that for a bit. So let me just do that right here. As you can see, it's just loading up right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and splash around with these. As you can see, it's super easy. So I'm just going to do this for a little bit, guys, as you can see, and then we should be done with this little step here, this injection step. Now you can also get other things in this app, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that I'm doing this task correctly. It's super easy though. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here, as you can see. Okay. All right, almost done. All right, here we go. So I'm just going to do it for a bit more, guys. As you can see, it's discover more, and it just wants me to download this app. So I'm just going to let it do its thing, whatever, just load up here. And then we should be done with this little step here. So I'm just going to do this one right here. And it says earn token. So let's just see what pops up. Welcome to Lucktastic Plus. Install and play applications. Okay, so they've got an offer wall, it seems. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this one. Solitaire, get some tokens. and then we should get our resources into our account. So I just have to download this app here, and I'm just going to do that right here. Just give it a minute for this to download, as you can see, and then I'm just going to go back onto this little locker here, and I could pick another one if I wanted to, so I'm going to go for this one, and it's just going to bring me over to the App Store again, and I'm going to download it. And now all I have to do, guys, is go ahead and play through both of these, and then we should be done. So let's just give it a minute for them to download. As you can see, they're almost done, so let's just give it a moment for them to finish. Okay, here we go. All right, so the first one, this solitaire, is done, so I'm just going to go ahead and play this here. As you can see, it's not too difficult, guys. I've never faced like any problems doing the injection step, so I'm just going to go ahead and let this load, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So let me just do that right here, as you can see. All right, it's super easy, so I'm just going to let this load up, guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and do it. So let me just let this thing load here, as you can see. All right, it's loading right now. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and do this, guys, so it's super easy. So let me just, there we go. So next, all right, begin match now. All right, so I'm going to do that right here, and I just got to press next, and I've got to solve the cards. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this here, guys. As you can see, it's super easy. So I'm just going to do this right here, as you can see. Okay, just like touching around with the cards. So I'm just going to keep doing it for a bit more, guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and do it in the other app. So let me just do that right here. As you can see, okay, almost done. Alrighty, so I'm just going to go ahead and get out of here now. I'm ending the game, submitting my score, and now I'm just going to do this one, Blitz. This is the other app from Lucktastic, so I'm just going to do this one, and I'm just going to play it, and then we should be done with this little step here. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this load. As you can see, alright, it's loading right now, so let's just give it a second to finish. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, so it's loaded up now, so I'm just going to go ahead and play through it, as you can see. Okay, alrighty, so basically, guys, as long as you complete the instructions, as I was saying, you will be able to go ahead and get your coins and your gems in Brawl Stars, guys. So it's super cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here. As you can see, all right. Okay, let me just do that here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this here. As you can see, like swipe up, stack the card. Okay, so I'm just going to do it for a bit more, guys, and then we should be done. So I'm just going to swipe around, as you can see, just like making sure that I'm doing it right. All right, busted, out of moves. Okay, so yeah, I think I've done a good amount of time. So I'm just going to make sure I submit my score there, and then we should be good to go. So there we go. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is go ahead and we're going to see if it works. So let's reopen our Brawl Stars, and did we get the coins and did we get the gems? And as you can see, guys, they are now going all the way to the top thanks to me completing this verification step. So this is super cool, guys. Definitely go ahead, share this tutorial with your friends, get the word out about this crazy method. I'm honestly blown away this actually works. You can see right now they're going all the way to the top, and we got the amounts that we requested. So I could go ahead and buy something in Brawl Stars just to show you guys that these are completely real if I wanted to. So it's really cool. And I just can't believe it actually works. So if I went over here at the shop, for instance, as you can see, they've got a ton of stuff you can buy. These are like the daily deals, which is really cool. So you can see some of the like characters they have to buy and like the different skins. So you can see over here, there's quite a bunch. I'm going to get this one at 79. So it's not that expensive, but I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here. And as you can see, guys, I got it. And this is just super, super cool. So yeah, I'm honestly blown away. This actually works completely for free. So definitely go ahead, share this, get the word out. It's super cool. You can see over here, I could get this one too if I wanted, which costs 109, and that's really not too expensive for me anymore, since I got so much thanks to this incredible site. So you can see right here, I got it. It's super cool. So guys, this is amazing. Definitely share this with your friends, get the word out. I mean, look at this. I've already gotten like 2 skins just from this free website that gave me so much stuff. So definitely go ahead, guys, share this, get the word out. I'm going to be seeing you guys later, and peace out.